Teacher, inaantok ako! Sobrang inaantok na ako, teacher. Pagtripan ko na lang guys yung classmate ko. Airplane away! Poink! Tapos sa ulo.
It's about drive, it's about...
Why are you looking at me? Plep, calm down! Sorry ma'am. Tingin sa akin eh. Hello classmate, our topic for today is hair. My hair is blue. I'm like a super saiyan blue. I eat penguin, that's why my hair is blue. Nakikinig ba kayo? Parang wala nakikinig ah. Tagal mag-reply ni Crush ah. Ayoko na nga sa kanya. Magbabago na ako ng crush. Bye Crush, nakabubo na ako. Plep, put the phone away! Hello classmate, ako ulit yung reporter. Ice is cold. Yeah, but ice is melting because I'm hot. Teacher, a big fat ugly. Oh come on, this class is getting boring. Let's put an alien here guys.